This is the working video of GL300. So this is the glass door lock which can be installed on the double glass. So it has 4 access levels, that is you can even unlock this lock using the fingerprint, and even you can unlock this lock using the password. Even you can open this using the password as well as card. So it gets automatically locked. After that, from the back side you can access this using this knob. It's get automatically closed, and you have to, from the back side you can open this using the knob. And coming to the normal open mode, you need to just press 2 8